Welcome back once again to the garage. So today we're going to swap this style connector for this style connector, and it doesn't, functionally they are exactly the same. However, this little guy here has some locking paws that help maintain this in, be stable in the connection. But this one tends to just kind of fall out. So what we're going to do is very carefully, I got my little kit here. I'm going to pull out a four-prong plug. So we got one of those out. Now I already pulled out some replacement terminals here. We're going to very carefully, one at a time, pry up this little locking tab here, pull out the wire. Now if you notice, it's got bare metal terminals that are way longer than this plug is. So that what I'd like to do is cut them right there, because it damages the last little bit of the plug. It preserves the most amount of wire, damages the least, and then also gets the plug out of the way. And you just need a little bit of wire exposed. I mean, that's not even 1/8 of an inch that's sticking through there. Okay, then next, on these little terminals, bend them over about 90 degrees to where you want to be. And then also these little ends are splayed a little bit, so I'm just going to close them up just a hair so it gets a little pinch on. Now, the way this tool is set up, you hold it with the numbers facing your wire. So I found that the 1.6 and the 1.9 are just perfect for this particular terminal. So what we're going to do is we're going to just grab that first one, kind of snug up on it. We're not going to give it any squeeze. Then we're going to put the wire in. You can get good and deep in there. There's the first part made. Come back here, grab it again with the next one up. And that one I buggered up a little bit. Almost worked. So I'm going to come back with a pair of needle nose and just, I might be able to save that. Hold on. Okay, so that's on there nice and stout. Now when you're looking at these wires, they are done in pairs. So the black and the green and the red and the blue. As long as those pairs are in the right place, it doesn't matter how this thing goes together. So I know I just pulled a red out, and I know that if I orient the plugs the same way, the red needs to go in this very first terminal. Come on, in you go. Because that plug got a little bit distorted when I put it together. It's gonna just be a butthead. So I'm gonna just give it a little squeeze just to make it shaped the right way. Should have latched. I wonder if the locking paw got distorted some. Okay, now we're in. Got it to lock in. So that one's not going to pull out now. Alright, now we will do it again with the blue wire. And I'm just going to work my way through them. Alright, so that's how I do that. You saw how much I had to struggle to get that back apart. So that's exactly what we want in something that we don't want to come apart. We want it to be difficult. But anyway, really like this tool, built by Iwis or Iwis. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, it's the IWS 2820M. Does 28 to 20 gauge wire. They have all kinds of different sizes of this, but I'll give you a link to the Amazon where I bought this. I do not get anything from the link that I'm going to post, but yeah, I really like the tool, so that's why it's getting a link. Anyway, that's about it for today, and until next time.